going, friends? Christina here. Welcome back to my garden. This morning we're going to head over to the nursery and pick up some mulch. You can see behind me in the cottage flower bed that we just laid down some mulch. It looks so gorgeous. I love the aesthetic. I love the feel. Mulch is amazing for your garden, and so we're going to continue this in the other smaller flower beds that are surrounding the house. So I'll go ahead and show you guys those. Now you can pick up mulch, at your local home and garden stores, Home Depot, Lowe's. You can buy them in the bags. That's perfectly fine. It's beneficial for us. It's more cost effective since we have larger areas that we're gonna go pick up a yard down at the nursery, and then just kind of finish off the last of our flower beds. I did a quick little tips and tricks of mulch not too long ago. I'll go ahead and link that in the top right hand corner so you can check that out. But yeah, it's looking really gorgeous. It's so beautiful. So yeah, so we're just gonna head over and get started. All right, okay, so let's head over to the nursery, and we might as well check out and see what they have as well. Got the mulch. We're gonna head over to another nursery down the road just to kind of see what they have over there. Wasn't all too excited about the flowers and things that they had here. It was fine, but this place is great for materials. It's great for trees. It's great for roses. It's really good for like the tall privacy shrubs, things like that. It's also good for vegetable starts. But I'm gonna head down the road and see what they have at the other nursery. Okay, the mulch is all done. It looks gorgeous. Let me show you. It's just so beautiful. It really polishes off the look of the house and the aesthetic that we love. Let me show you. Okay, the east side flower bed is done. It looks gorgeous. I just love how it just gives it that polished look, and against the house, I really love the aesthetic that it gives off. So it looks really beautiful. One more spot that I want to show you is under the peach tree garden bed. Looks so gorgeous. I love the way that mulch looks in the landscape. I'm really happy with how everything turned out. I think it's super beautiful. And the last spot I want to show you is just the cottage garden again, really quick. Right here in the cottage garden, I really love that finished, polished look that the mulch gives, and it really enhances the area that you're working in. Apart from the appearance of it, mulch is great because it's going to help retain moisture. It's going to help keep your weeds down. It's going to regulate the temperature in the soil. There's a bunch of added benefits. As it breaks down over time, it's going to also condition the soil. So mulch can really be an added benefit in your garden. Well, thank you guys for joining us on this quick project and seeing how the mulch transformed our entire garden space. We hope you're having a wonderful and blessed day, and we'll see you in the next one.